Hi guys, welcome to another video. For this one, I want to try and make a DIY version of the Starbucks pumpkin cream cold brew. This has been my favorite drink lately, and I've been seeing so many like copycat recipes on TikTok, and if they work, that will be a life changer because my wallet honestly hates me because I go to Starbucks so often. So my plan for this video is I'm going to show you guys a TikTok, I'm going to make the DIY recipe, and then I'm going to run to my Starbucks and get the actual drink, the real deal, and we will compare them in real time. So let's get started.
Today I'm going to be doing my version of the pumpkin cream cold brew because your girl's going broke going to Starbucks every day. We're going to be using half a cup of heavy cream, a spoonful of pumpkin puree, a splash of vanilla syrup, half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Mix that with your hand mixer until it gets this thick. In your cup with ice, you're going to do 2 splashes of vanilla syrup. Use your cold brew of your choice. You're going to pour over your pumpkin cream on top and sprinkle some pumpkin spice. And here is your pumpkin cold brew. A tomar.
Okay guys, I want to try the DIY version first. I think I did a little bit too much of the topping, but it will be fine. Oh my god, I really cannot tell. I feel like the topping is really similar. This one is a little bit more airy, a little bit sweeter. I mean, I like this one a little bit better, to be honest. I also did like way too much in this coffee, so it's kind of my fault. I mean, it's not a bad version, but I can definitely tell that this is not as good as the Starbucks one. I feel like my ratios are probably off, but I don't know. I definitely like it less than the Starbucks one, but it's still pretty nice. I don't know, with this one, just the coffee is so much better. The taste is way more intense, and just, I don't know, it just works better. So I made it with this Starbucks cold brew, and I definitely don't recommend buying this one because it's very weak. It's like kind of watery. It definitely doesn't have anything in common with the one that you get at the store. I might try this recipe again with a different cold brew, but this one is not good. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know. I feel like I'm still gonna be going to Starbucks. Okay, so overall, I don't think this recipe was it for me, but I definitely think this drink can be easily recreated. I just have to experiment a little bit more with the cold brew that I'm using and my ratios for the topping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you like my content. I usually post healthy lifestyle and wellness content, and I try to post every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!